Hi, I'm Marty Beard, the CEO of alwaysAI. Let's talk about the power of computer vision. First question, what is computer vision? Quite simply, computer vision is adding vision to machines. The simplest example is a camera. Computer vision is now bringing way more intelligence to that image. It's applying the magic of artificial intelligence to the camera sensor to not only look at their environment, but actually get a lot more information that businesses can use to make better decisions in much faster time frame. That's really what modern computer vision is. We all are very familiar with being on the internet and so-called web analytics. Companies know exactly where people go on the web, what they're doing on the web, and we have all the analytics to know what's happening in that virtual environment. This is now doing exactly the same thing, but in the real world, in the physical environment. So we're now out in the world on the edge, and we're able to get more information in real time through this brilliance of deep learning computer vision. There are so many applications that companies across the spectrum, all industries, are taking advantage of that real-time information. This is a huge push forward in technology, where now the outside world, the physical world, we're getting analysis that we've just never had in real time that we can act on and make smarter decisions, better decisions, so we can be safer, we can be more secure, and our businesses can thrive. Let's talk about how computer vision is being used in some real-world use cases. Let me start with an example in construction. We're very fortunate to be able to work with one of the world's largest general contractors, Swinnerton. They really want to get smarter about the safety on their construction sites. Who's on the site? Where are they? Are they wearing the proper safety equipment? Where are the materials? Are the materials all accounted for? Computer vision, through smarter cameras, can provide a wide variety of analytics that are possible to get through a manual process, but so much more efficient through the use of cameras and computer vision. A recent example for us in manufacturing, we were able to work with a super innovative company called Ant Robotics. We did this at a super interesting space in Brooklyn called New Lab. We used a robot in a very large venue, a very large space, to be able to assess what was going on in zones in that space. And again, it's just providing more insight into what's happening in a building. For example, maybe there's an area that people aren't supposed to be. Those would be zones where a camera can give you specific information about that zone. Scanning an area to make sure that there were no obstructions, that nobody was going to get hurt. If it was a warehouse and something was moving, that it's not going to hit anything, etc. There's a variety of applications in retail, and we're really fortunate to be able to work with some very innovative companies. DTIQ serves the quick service restaurant space. Think of Starbucks and McDonald's. They're very obsessed with speed of service. They want to be able to provide super efficient service to somebody walking in, ordering, paying, and being on their way. Computer vision helps here dramatically. We know exactly how many people are in the store, we know how long it's taking to go through the zones of that store, etc. Another really interesting retail example is contactless checkout. Now with computer vision, you're bypassing barcode scanning. You're literally just putting items down on a kiosk and you're on your way. We're in a world where there's a lot of labor constraints. Computer vision is solving a lot of those problems and just allowing us to leverage the power of cameras to make something a better experience, faster, and just more efficient. Computer vision is being used in a wide variety of industries because it provides top and bottom line benefits that are so dramatic and so easy to achieve by using deep learning computer vision in cameras. A lot of people ask, how do I get going? It sounds complicated, or maybe it's going to be engineering or resource intensive, and it's really not. Within weeks, you can get a very strong computer vision application up and running, deployed, and providing you information that's going to help you transform your business. alwaysAI is really, really good at helping companies prototype and get into market. Let's walk through what is necessary to get going. Number one, it's all about developing a model. All you need is a starter data set. What is that? Images, video clips that really are relevant to your environment, your use case. We provide what's called annotation for those images. We train the model. We do everything that's involved to get a model that you can use. Number two is everybody needs to understand the edge or hardware environment. What kind of cameras are we talking about here? Often we're just getting onto existing cameras. We want to be able to get deep learning AI onto those cameras so you can just get going. Most cameras that are out there in the world can handle these applications. There's also sometimes new edge infrastructure that you need to invest in, and that might be things like NVIDIA devices, so-called edge devices, that are basically in your edge environment, cranking through the model and providing that information. We work with all the major edge device manufacturers to help you deploy that if needed. So once you have a good understanding of your camera environment and potential edge infrastructure, then it really just comes down to let's deploy the application, let's run it, and let's test it. Prototyping is super easy. You create the model, we provide all the technology to get that model delivered onto an edge device. We have a runtime engine on the edge device, so you're actually running that application now, and you're getting the analytics. That's going to provide all this information that we then use to refine the model, refine the application as needed. Again, just leveraging the alwaysAI platform. Now we're going to broadly deploy. This is, again, another strength for us. If you're going on from 1 camera to 100, great. You can do that using our device management capability, where we can also do remote monitoring and let you know about the health of the edge environment. Make updates, make changes as necessary, not a problem. It doesn't require a large team of machine learning engineers. If you have somebody on your team that understands a bit of Python, that's good enough. If you need our team to actually help you on the application development and actually get this built and running, not a problem. We've got the resources for that. At the end of the day, we need some data. We need to understand the hardware environment, and we're going to build a test case and a prototype, get it running very quickly, and then start seeing the magic of computer vision. I'm really excited to tell you about some new features in the alwaysAI platform. Number one, we have strengthened our ability to remotely manage devices and monitor devices. Why is that important? As companies extend their applications throughout a variety of edge points and locations and geographies, the ability to make changes to a model, update application logic, check the health of a device, all those things that you want to do on the edge, we've provided that capability within the alwaysAI platform. Number two, we've improved our model training capability. This is a big feature of alwaysAI, where you're able to manage the data that you're putting into a model, but also train a wide variety of model architectures, like recently what's called YOLO v4, version 4. So we've been able to take advantage of that architecture, weave that into our system, and provide that to our developers. We've continued to add to our edge capability, most recently announcing a partnership with Halo, which is a company that has just an amazing edge accelerator, which basically allows and helps AI models to run even faster, but with very low power requirements, perfect for edge environments across a wide variety of industries. We have integrated alwaysAI with the Halo accelerator and are now able to offer that out to our customer base. And it provides very fast performance at very low power. We've also expanded our ecosystem, or partners that are working with us. We recently announced a partnership with Seed Studio. Seed Studio helps not only source hardware, but also source hardware systems that our customers need to be able to deploy very quickly. And they are able to not only procure hardware necessary for edge environments, but also to do some integration with companies like alwaysAI so a customer can get going even faster. Another partnership most recently has been with New Lab. This is an amazing technology community that involves companies like Verizon and others that bring together partners around a certain technology solution. The last quarter has been amazing for the company. We've been able to work with great new customers, establish new partnerships, push forward on our platform. But most importantly, we've been able to double the team at alwaysAI with an incredible mix of talent, and also double the size of our office here in San Diego, where we love to work. So if you want to get started with alwaysAI, it's really easy. We just encourage you to schedule a meeting with an AI expert. We'd love to meet with you and talk to you about use cases specific to your needs and what questions you may have. Really easy to get in touch with us. Go to the link below and schedule your meeting with an AI expert now. The team looks forward to meeting you. We know that computer vision is going to help your business, and we just really look forward to working with you on this journey. Thank you very much.